and welcome to another TechHub.training solution video. This is a solution video for the ChatGPT Costco Valuation Challenge. So let's just jump right into it. So for this challenge, you are a financial analyst, and your job is to determine whether Costco at the end of fiscal year 2024 is valued fairly or slightly under or overpriced. And you're going to do this using ChatGPT. So with recent heightened volatility in the stock market, this could be a challenging task. So your first task is to go to ChatGPT, and the first thing I did is I just put in the information for the case into ChatGPT so that we were on the same page of what I needed and what it needs to do. So it gave me some information, some basic general information. This isn't extremely helpful for us, but it is a good start. So your first task is to find this financial data, have ChatGPT use it, and only use Yahoo Finance, Macro Trends, or the SEC. So I just prompted ChatGPT with its first task, and it gave me key financial data that you can see here. Then you're asked to pull and extract important financial metrics. So I just prompted ChatGPT and I made sure to say that from the same sources I needed to extract important financial metrics. This is like earnings per share, PE ratio. Those are very helpful in determining whether a stock price is overpriced or fairly priced. So it gives me really good information. Now these are great, but and this is good to know, but unless we have industry averages or some sort of thing to compare Costco's stock prices with, it isn't extremely helpful. So I wanted to see what ChatGPT said, and so I just asked if it can learn anything. And it naturally went to that comparison. So you can see that it said it's expensive relative to earnings, meaning that it has a high PE ratio. Its revenue's growing fastly, and it gives some nuggets here. It says, like, is it overvalued? It says that investors need to consider whether they are comfortable paying such a high multiple for a company that Costco is very stable, but they're not growing at a crazy rate. So it gives some good information. Now, I want to make the analysis myself. So I asked it to show comparisons with industries. So I took out some of its biggest competitors, Walmart, Target, Sam's Club, and I wanted to see how they compare. So you can see Costco's earnings per share are a lot higher compared to industry. Their price to earnings is a lot higher. Price to sales is a lot higher. Price to book is way higher. Their EBITDA is higher. Pretty much everything across the board is higher. So in comparison, they're a lot higher, which could indicate that the stock is overpriced, or it could just be that they are a more efficient, better company. So I wanted to ask, based on now this information, is Costco correctly priced? And so you could easily argue that in comparison to its competitors, the PE ratio, the price to book ratio, some of these important ratios are a lot higher than competitors, and this could be a concern because that indicates that Costco is trading at a premium price. And as an analyst, you need to determine whether or not that premium is going to stick, or whether or not you should short them or possibly sell stocks or sell your stake in the current stock. So this is the solution video for the challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.